The first thing we're going to do is grab one of these boxes from Dollar Tree. We're going to take it apart and we're going to use the inside. So just put your finger through it and just go all the way around it until you detach it from the inside, just like that. And then after you detach it, you go around it, just take it out. And we're going to spray paint this one in gold and the other one in white, and then we're just gonna go ahead and place it inside just like that. Just put a slider down and it will go inside very easily. Then after that, we're just gonna go ahead and take a glass and put it on top. I got this sand. I'm just gonna put a few inside, and we're going to go ahead, after we're done pouring the sand, we're gonna go ahead and grab a candle and place it inside. And this is the first one. This is how it looks. It's pretty simple to do. It's just one little candle holder, something simple and unique that you can do for your home. For the next DIYs, I'm just going to go ahead and grab the long base that I already spray painted in white. And I took this gold tape that I got from Walmart. And I'm just going to go ahead and place it at the bottom of my base. I'm just going to go ahead and tape it all around it just like that. And I'm also going to do the top of the box as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and place it around it just like that. Then I went ahead and grabbed my box and I'm going to put the glass on top. I'm going to put a few of the sand as well. And then I'm going to take my light bulb and place it on top. And this one, I'm going to take the glass out because this one I'm going to do it like a second one. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the tape so it can match my first one that I just did. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the tape around it in the first line, then cut it, and then I'm going to place another line on the top like that, and I'm going to do the same process. Then I went ahead and grabbed my glass, put it on top, and put my light bulb as well. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. And I'm telling you, it looked nicer in person. That if you see it, this one I would definitely keep in my home because it looks so cute, as well as the table. I loved it how it turns out, and it came out super pretty. You could use this in a room as a light, in your living room. There's so many places you could use this little candle, and they came out super cute. For the next DIY, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab another boxes like this one, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take it apart just like that. I'm gonna use the big one, I'm gonna paint it in gold, and the small one I'm gonna paint it in white. After I paint it, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my white bottom part, and I'm gonna place it at the bottom of the box, just like slide it down just like that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put my glass inside just like that. Then go ahead and grab your light bulb and put it on top. You can leave it as that, or you could put sand or some snowflake like I did and go ahead and place it inside just like that. Then after that, I grab this little gold tree. You could place whatever you want. I just placed this little gold tree inside, put the light bulb on top, and this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. It came out so cute. It's almost the same as the other one, just this one is a little bit bigger and a little bit different. You can also decorate it to any holidays like Easter or whatever you would like. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.